Hello dear student, let us start our second chapter, that is fraction and decimal. So student, in your previous classes you have already learned what are fractions and decimal. You did various operations related to fraction, that is addition and subtraction. In this year you will learn how to do operation related to fraction, a sum related to multiplication and division. Now student, let us see what is a fraction. Fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. You can recognize a fraction by the slash that is written between the two numbers. We have a top number, that is the numerator, and a bottom number, that is the denominator. Now let us see some examples of fraction. See, whatever the example which I had given over here, that is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 5 and 5 upon 8, all are fractions. Let us see a few more examples. Now in this particular pizza, 8 different slices are there. Out of 8 slices, 1 slice been eaten. So what is the fraction of slice to be eaten? That is 1 by 8. Now in these various circles are there, all shows different fractions. First one shows 1 half, second one 1 third, third one 2 third, fourth one 1 fourth, fifth one 2 fourth, sixth one 3 fourth, seventh one 1 sixth, and eighth one 1 eighth fractions. There are total 6 types of fractions such as proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and equivalent fraction. Let us see all the types of fraction one by one. Proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is less than denominator, it is known as proper fraction. See the example which I had given, 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 9 by 10, all are proper fraction in which numerator are less than denominator. Improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than denominator, it is known as improper fraction. See the example which I had given, 4 by 3, 7 by 4, 9 by 5, all are improper fraction. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a fraction. See the example which I had given. Now next is like fraction. The fraction which have the same denominators are called like fractions. See the example which I had given. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2 are all like fraction because all the fractions having the same denominator, that is 2. Now next is unlike fraction. The fraction which have the unequal denominator or different denominator are called unlike fractions. See the example which I had given, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, all are unlike fraction because all the fractions having unequal denominator. Now the last one is equivalent fraction. When two or more fractions have the same result after simplification, so they represent the same portion of the whole, then such fractions are equal to each other and are called equivalent fraction. For example, see 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fraction. 1 by 3 and 3 by 9 are equivalent fraction. Now let us begin our first exercise related to this chapter, that is exercise 2.1. Solve. Now, how to solve such kind of sum? See, for question number first, 2 minus 3 by 5. Here it is a whole number and here it is a fraction. You also very well know that subtraction or addition of fraction is possible only after equalizing their denominator. And how to equalize their denominator? By finding their LCM. Here also, see here denominator is not there. So just place it 1. Now, LCM of 1 and 5 obviously is 5 only. After finding the LCM, we need to have 5 over here. So 1 should be multiplied by 5. So whatever number we are taking over here, same number we have to take in numerator also. So now dear student, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now take this 3 by 5. Already 5 over here. So 5 should be multiplied by 1. So whatever number we have taken over here, same value we have to take in numerator. 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. Now, dear student, now you can easily subtract the value. That is 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5, which gives 7 by 5. This is your answer. Or you can write in a mixed fraction. That is 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. Now let us see another sum. Here also, that is 4 plus 7 by 8. Here also, denominator is missing. Just place it 1 below it. Then equalize the denominator. Obviously, LCM of 1 and 8 is always 8. Now equalize that denominator. You should get 8 over here, so 1 should be multiplied by 8. Obviously, that 4 you have to multiply by 8. 4 2s are 8, that 4 8s are 32. 8 1s are 8. Now take this value. Here already 8 is there, no need to. So directly you multiply it with 1. So 7 1s are 7, 8 1s are 8. Now you can easily do whatever is given. If they had asked to add, so we need to add it. That is 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8 gives 39 by 8. Or you can write it in a mixed fraction. If you know, you can write it in a mixed fraction. That is 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 7. That is 7 integer. That is 4 integer 7 by 8. Now let us see. Now here student, here 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 given. Here denominators are there, but the denominator are not equal. We need to equalize that denominator. So we need to find the LCM of both. That is LCM of 5 and 7. That is, both are co-prime number. So what you will get? You will get the multiple of it. That is 5 1s are 5, 7 as it is, 7 1s are. Now that means what? LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Is 35. Now after that, after equalizing the denominator, see, you need to equalize the denominator. That should be 35 in denominator. So 5 should be multiplied by 7. So same value you have to take in numerator also. 7 3s are 21. While equalizing that denominator, whatever value we are getting in numerator, that only you have to write. Then 2 by 7. 7 should be multiplied by 5 to get 35. So whatever value we are taking in denominator, same value you have to take in numerator. 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Now you can easily add, or if they had asked to subtract, you can subtract. Now here it is asked to add. 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35. So dear student, we are getting 31 by 35. It is a proper fraction. In why? Because numerator is less than denominator, you cannot convert it into a mixed fraction. Let us see sum number 4. That is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Now here also you need to find the LCM of 11 and 15. Let us do it over here. 11 1s are 11, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. Dear student, just multiply it. 11 3s are 33, and 33 5s are 165. That means LCM of 11 and 15 is 165. Now dear student, equalize the denominator. 11 should be multiplied by what? We saw that 11 is multiplied by 15. So let us multiply it in numerator also. Now 15 9s are how much? That is 135. 11 15s are 165. Now 4 15s are, as already 15 is there. If 11 multiplied by 15 gives 165, in the same way 15 should be multiplied by 11 gives 165. Whatever number we have taken in denominator, same value we will take in numerator. 11 4s are 44. 165. Now you can easily subtract the value. That is 135 divides 165 minus 44 divides 165. Now dear student, subtract it. 13 minus 4 gives 9. That is 91 divides 165. It is a proper fraction. Now let us see the another sum. Add 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So what to do over here? Now dear student, here also you need to find the value LCM of 10, 5 and 2. We need to equalize the denominator, then only addition is possible. Let us find it over here. 2 5s are 5 as it is, 2 1s are 5 1s are. Now LCM we are getting 10. So write it over here, LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. Now equalize the denominator. Now here 7 by 10, 10 should be multiplied by 1 to get 10. So same value you have to take in numerator also, that is 7 ones are 7. Then 2 by 5, 5 should be multiplied by 2. In numerator also 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 by 10. Then 3 by 2, 2 should be multiplied by 5, same value you have to take in numerator. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. Now addition is possible. So what you will do? 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. Now add it. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15, 26. It is improper fraction. This you can convert it into a mixed fraction. That is 10, 2s are 20 plus 6. Now let us see the another sum. So dear student, here the mixed fraction it is given. You can convert it into an improper fraction. How to convert? You just need to multiply 2 3s are 6 and add whatever value in numerator. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 gives 8. Here also 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now you have to find the LCM, that is LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 is always 6 only because both are prime number. Now 8 divide 3, 3 should be multiplied by what to get 6? 3 2s are, so you have to multiply 8 also. So 2 8s are 16 by 6. Now 7 by 2. 2 should be multiplied by 3. So same value you have to take in numerator also. So 3, 7, 3s are 21 by 6. Now you can add your value. 6 by 6, 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. You will get 37 by 6. Or you can write 6 6 are 36 plus 1 in mixed fraction. Here also you have to, question number 7, 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8. Here also you have to first convert it into a improper fraction. 2 8 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. 8 is 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8 we need to find. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Now dear student, equalize that denominator. 2 should be multiplied by what to get 8? 4. That is 2 4s are 8. So same value you have to take in numerator also. Now multiply it. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. And 2 4s are 8. Then 8 should be multiplied by what? 1 only to get 8. That is 29 by 8. Now you can easily add the value. 68 by 8. Now here it is asked to subtract. So we need to subtract 29 by 8. Now 68 minus 29. 18. 18. That is you will get 39. 39 by 8, or you can write 8 4s are 32 plus 7. Let's see question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. Now how to arrange this fraction into descending order? Descending or ascending, whatever they ask. Now in this particular question, that is first one, 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21 are given. Now dear student, how to arrange those in descending order? So we need to convert these fractions into like fraction. You know what is like fraction? Like fraction means what? Whose all denominators are equal. That means what? We have to equalize that denominator. And to equalize the denominator, obviously we need to find their LCM. So let us find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Let us do it over here. 9, 3 and 21. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 7s are. 3 1s are 7 as it is, 7 1s are. So 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. Everywhere 63 should be there. Now first one, 2 by 9. So to get 63 over here, the 9 should be multiplied by 7. Whatever value we are taking in denominator, same value we have to take in numerator. So 2 7s are 14 and 63. After that, 2 by 3. That is 2 should be multiplied by, 2 by 3. 3 should be multiplied by 21. So same value you have to take in numerator also. So 21 2s are 42 by 63. Now 8 by 21. 21 should be multiplied by 3 to get 63. So same you have to multiply with 8 also. So 8 3s are 24. 21 3s are 63. Now dear student, here try to write in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. So first this value will come, that is, which one is greater? That is 42. 42 is greater than 24 is greater than 14. So how to write the value? See, 42 by 63 is greater than 24 by 63 is greater than 14 by 63. So your answer will be its original value. Its original value is 2 by 3. What is given in question? Its original value is 8 by 21. Its original value, that is 14 by 63. Its original value is 2 by 9. This is your answer. Now let us see the another sum. It also same way, to equalize the denominator, that is to convert it into a like fraction, you need to find the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. So let us find it over here. 5, 7 and 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are and 7 1s are. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. That is LCM of 5, 7 and 10 is 70. Now see 1 by 5. Now 5 should be multiplied by what? To get 70. 5 should be, if you don't know, so find it from your LCM. 5, whatever is left, 2 7s are 14. So 5 should be multiplied with 14. So same value you have to take in numerator. So 14 1s are 14 by 70. Then 3 by 7. 7 should be multiplied by 10 to get 70. So same value you have to take in numerator. So 3 10s are 30, 7 10s are 70. Now 7 by 10. 10 should be multiplied by 7 to get 70. That is same value you have to take in numerator. 7 7s are 49. That is that. Now descending order means decreasing order. So greater value you have to write first. So 49 is greater than 30 is greater than 14. Then its value, that is 79. 49 by 70 is greater than 30 by 70 is greater than 14 by 17. And whatever the value given in the question, that is 49 by 70 is 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 7 and 1 by 5. This is your value. Now let us see question number 3rd. In a magic box, the sum of the number in each row, in each column along with the diagonal is the same. Now the question is this a magic box? How to find whether it is a magic box or not? So we need to add all the number row wise, column wise and diagonal wise. Now let us first check row wise whether we are getting the same value or not. Now that is 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Now 4 plus 9, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11 we are getting. Now let us see the another row. 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 only. The next one, next third row, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. That is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Now row wise we got same value. Now let us check column wise. Now 4, let us do it over here. 4, first column, 4 plus 3 plus 8, first column. That is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. Now second column, 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Then third column, 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Now 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Now column wise also we are getting the same value. Now the diagonal wise in the sense this value and this value. Now diagonal wise you can orally add the value, that is first diagonal, that is 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15 only. Now the another diagonal, 2 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 only, 15 by 11. So along with row, column and diagonal, the total are same, that is sum are same. So we can consider it as a magic box. This is sum number 4. A rectangle sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Now to find the perimeter, for that you should know the formula first. So let us write it over here. Perimeter of rectangular paper sheet, that is 2 length plus breadth. Now if we consider this figure as a rectangular paper sheet, length, the value of length, that is 12 and half, that is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter, and the breadth, that is wide, 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. So place your value over here, that is the value of length whatever is given, that is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter plus value of breadth, that is 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Now dear student, how to add? As we already did in our question number first convert it, this mixed fraction, into improper fraction, then equalize the denominator by finding LCM. Write on this value as it is. 12 is 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. Now equalize the denominator by finding LCM. Here no need to find LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is always 6. So write it over here. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now to get 6 in denominator, 2 should be multiplied by what? 2 should be multiplied by 3. So here also in numerator also you have to multiply 25 by 3, and here 32 by 3 is given, 3 should be multiplied by 2 to get 6. So same in numerator also. Now multiply 25 3s are, that is 75 by 6. 32 2s are, that is 64 by 6 centimeter. Now you can easily add the value, that is 75 plus 64 by 6 centimeter. Now here add it, so you will get 75 plus 64, that is 139. 139 by 6 centimeter. Now dear student, open this bracket. While opening, you have to put multiplication sign. 139 by 6 centimeter. Now if cancellation is possible, you can do cancellation. That is 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then what is left? Finally this value. Or you can convert it into mixed fraction. You can see how to convert. Just divide it. 139 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 6 are 18 and remainder 1. So what you will write? 46 integer, whatever remainder is there, you have to write it over here. 1 by 3 centimeter. 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Number 5, find the perimeter of first one, that is triangle ABE. That is this triangle ABE. The rectangle BCD in the figure. We are talking about this rectangle BCDE. Now whose perimeter is greater? Dear student, here combined figure of triangle and rectangle is given. We need to find their perimeter separately. Then only we can compare whose perimeter is greater. So let us start with perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE. That is perimeter of triangle ABE is what? Sum of all three sides. That is AB, which is equals to AB plus BE plus AE. Now the value of AB, that is 5 by 2 centimeter. Value of BE, that is 2 integer 3 by 4. Value of AE, that is 3 integer 3 by 5. Now we need to find the perimeter. For that we need to equalize its denominator. Here we need to add the value of all given side. For that we need to equalize the denominator. For that we need to find the LCM. Before that we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 5 by 2 as it is. Convert this mixed fraction. You also know how to convert. Multiply 2 4 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 3 5 are 15, 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Now find the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So write it over here. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. Find it over here. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is. 2 ones are 2, 5 as it is. 1 1 as it is. 5 ones are 5. 2 twos are 4, 4 5s are 20. That means the LCM is 20. So write it over here. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. Now what we will do? See. Draw a line over here. Write down 5 by 2 over here. So to get 20 over here, 2 should be multiplied by what? 10. So same value you have to take in numerator also. So 5 tens are 50 by 20. Then 11 by 4. 4 should be multiplied by what to get 20? That is 5. So same value you have to take in numerator also. That is 50 by 20. What should be now next 18 by 5. 5 should be multiplied by 4 to get 20. Same value you have to take in numerator also. That is 18 4s are 32, 3 carry, that is 72. 72 by 20. Now you can easily add and find its perimeter. How to add? That is 50 by 20 plus 55 by 20 plus 72 by 20. Add all the three sides. 50 plus 55 is 105. 105 plus 72, that is 177. 177 by 20. You can divide also, or you can keep it as it is also. You can convert it into mixed fraction also. Now let us find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE, that is sum of all its four sides, or you can write 2L plus B, or you can write 2 length plus breadth. So what is the value of length? You need to find it over here. See over here, I found that length is ED and BC. Both opposite sides are equal, and BE and CD is the length. This is the breadth. Okay. Now in length, the value of CD not given, but value of BE is given. So its opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So for length you will write 2 integer 3 by 4. So for length you write 2 integer 3 by 4, and for breadth you write down 7 by 6 centimeter. Now, before adding, you should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 7 by 6 as it is. Now, find the LCM of 7, 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 3 1s are 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. So what we will write over here? LCM of 4 and 6 is 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. Now you can write on this thing as it is. Now 11 by 4. We should get 12 over here. That is because the LCM is 12. So 4 should be multiplied by 3. Same value you have to multiply in numerator also. Plus 7 by 6. 6 should be multiplied by 2 to get 12. So 7 also you have to multiply by 2. Now that is 33 by 12 and 14 by 12 centimeter. Now you can easily add the value, that is 33 plus 14 by 12. Now 33 plus 14 gives, that is 47 by 12. Now dear student, open this bracket. While opening, put multiplication sign, that is 47 by 12. If cancellation is possible, you can do cancellation also. That is 2 1s are and 2 6s are. So that means we are getting the perimeter of this rectangle, that is 47 by 6. Now dear student, whose perimeter is larger? 177 by 20 or 47 by 6? How to find? Again, you need to find the LCM of 20 and 6. So LCM of 20 and 6 is how much? LCM of 20 and 6, that is 2 10s are and 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 3 as it is, 5 1s are, 3 as it is, 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 3s are 60. LCM of 20 and 6 is 60. Now dear student, to get 60 over here, these 20 should be multiplied by obviously 3. So in numerator also you have to multiply it by 3. So how much value you will get over here? Now 177 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 21, 22, 23, 2 carry, that is 2 1s are 2, 3. Now dear student, here I am getting 531 by 60. Now let us solve it over there. Now you should get 20 over in denominator, so 6 should be multiplied by what? 10s are. So 10 in denominator and 10 in numerator also. So 47 by 60, that is 47 into 10 is 470. Now dear student, which value is greater? 531 by 60 or 470 by 60? That is 531 by 60 is greater. So you can write perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. This is sum number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Now dear student, here breadth wise, the breadth of picture is more than breadth of frame. If we see this figure, this is one frame. Let us consider this as a frame. One frame it is. And breadth wise, this picture is more than this frame. Breadth wise, see. So we have to trim this much portion to get it fit in the frame. This is just an example just to understand. Now what to do? That means what? Breadth of picture is more than breadth of frame. So breadth of frame should be deducted from the breadth of picture. So let us see. Picture to be trimmed. That is from, what is the breadth of picture? That is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter, and breadth of frame, that is 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter. Now before subtracting, we just need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3, 38 by 5, 7 10 is 70, 70 plus 3, 73 by 10. Now to do the subtraction, we need to equalize the denominator by finding LCM, that is LCM of 5 and 10 is, that is 5 and 10. If you find the LCM, 2 5s are 10, 5 is 5 1s are 5. That is 2 5s are 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10 only. So is write down 10 over here. Now 38 by 5, 5 should be multiplied by 2 to get 10. So in numerator also same value. Subtraction is there. 73 by 10, 10 should be multiplied by 1 to get 10. So in numerator also write down 1. Now 38 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 2 3s are 6, 7 by 10 minus 73 by 10 centimeter. Now subtract it. So how much you will get? That is, let us do it over here. 76 minus 73 by 10, that is 3 by 10 centimeter. That means how much should the picture be trimmed? The picture should be trimmed 3 by 10 centimeter. So student, enjoying this chapter, let us start sum number 7. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share, by how much? Now dear student, here the part of apple eaten by Ritu is given, that is 3/5. And how much Somu ate, that is not given. We need to find. How to find? Here 3/5 part is eaten by Ritu. So let us consider 5 by 5 part as a whole. Whole part's value is always equals to 1. So let us see how to do. Part of the apple eaten by her brother, that is Somu, by Somu. How to find? Let us consider that 5 by 5 is a whole part. Why? Because here 3/5 part. 3/5 part, that is denominator is given 5. So from the whole part subtract this part eaten by Ritu. So you will get that is 2/5 part eaten by Somu out of whole part. Now we got the value. Now here value of 3/5 is more than 2/5. Why? Because 3 is greater than 2. So you can say that 3/5 part is greater than 2/5 part. That we found that whatever, who had a larger share and by how much? Who had a larger share in this? Ritu has larger share. Ritu has larger share, and by how much? Just find that difference. Its difference, that is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 1 by 5. That is 1/5 part is larger. Now let us see sum number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? We don't know who worked longer, because their denominator, the value of working hour are different, because their denominator are different. So first to find their differences of working hour, we need to equalize their denominator. And how to equalize their denominator? By finding LCM. Now first we will find the LCM of 4 and 12. Then only we can find their differences. Now first what we will do, LCM of 4 and 12. Find it over here. LCM of 4 and 12. 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12 only. Now what we will do? Write down the 7 by 12 over here and equalize their denominator, working hours denominator. 12 should be multiplied by 1 to get 12. So same value you have to take in numerator also, that is 7 by 12. Now take the another value, that is 3 by 4. Try to bring 12 over here also. The 4 should be multiplied by 3 to get 12. So same value you have to take in numerator also. 3 3s are 9 by 12. Now you can consider who work longer. Value of 9 by 12 is more than 7 by 12. Value of 9 by 12 is more than 7 by 12 because 9 is greater than 7. So you can write 9 by 12. Therefore 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. Now we already found who worked longer. So from this you can say that Vaibhav worked longer. By what fraction was it longer? Now we need to find the fraction also, the differences. So what you will do? So 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. No need to find further LCM. Already the denominator are equal only. So 9 minus 7 by 12, that is 2 by 12. When you do the cancellation, you will see 1 by 6r. What we will do? By what fraction was it longer? So it is longer by 1/6 r. It is longer by 1/6 r. So write down. It is longer by 1/6 r. Do press bell icon, share my videos and subscribe my channel for latest update.